Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to see sold items on eBay. Now, all you need to do is come here and search for any item. For example, let's search for PlayStation 5 as an example. Okay, now when this loads up, all you need to do, the left-hand panel, okay? Just keep scrolling down and keep scrolling down. It's almost at all the way at the end. So if I come down here, you see this option under show only? So I want to only show sold items. So I'll toggle this on and this will refresh. As you can see, it's showing me results just for the sold PlayStation 5s. And it's also showing me what amount it's sold at. So I can keep scrolling down here, right? The list is almost endless because this particular item sold over 16,000 times. Alright guys, and it's really that easy and simple.